As a content creator focusing on modern home design, I'm thrilled to present this image generation of a stunning contemporary home. The exterior, rendered in crisp, clean lines, showcases a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Large windows maximize natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living spaces. The chosen color palette, a sophisticated blend of neutral grays and warm wood tones, creates a sense of calm sophistication. A carefully landscaped yard adds to the overall appeal, complementing the home's clean lines with lush greenery. Let's step inside. The interior design mirrors the exterior's minimalist approach, prioritizing functionality and clean lines. Open-plan living creates a spacious and airy feel, while strategically placed lighting highlights key architectural features and design elements. High-quality materials, from the smooth, polished concrete floors to the sleek, modern cabinetry, are used throughout, creating a sense of luxury and refinement. The kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring state-of-the-art appliances and ample counter space, perfect for both casual meals and entertaining. The bedrooms are sanctuaries of peace and tranquility, featuring comfortable furnishings and calming color palettes. Each space is meticulously designed to enhance comfort and well-being. This modern home is more than just a structure, it's a testament to thoughtful design and a celebration of modern living. Its seamless blend of style and functionality makes it the perfect example of contemporary architecture. The innovative use of space and the careful selection of materials create a home that is both aesthetically pleasing and exceptionally livable. It's a space designed to inspire, to relax, and to truly live in.